Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi!
Today we're making bubble snakes.
What are bubble snakes?
You just wait and see. Axio table. Axio bowl of water. There we go. Axio washing liquid. Axio empty bottle. Axio stinky old socks.
I don't know what to do with all of these ingredients.
Step 1. Put the washing liquid inside of the water.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
I know how to open it. It's hard. Okay.
Just a little bit, okay? A little more. How did it make bubbles? Alright, I think that's enough.
What should we do next?
Next, we put the stinky socks on the base of the bottle.
This bit.
Yes. We already cut the base, so we can put this on.
Ooh.
Shall we start, Alia?
I think we need to do it like this.
Okay, let's.
I dip it in. This can be the head of my bubble snake.
Alia, watch out!
Come off me! Come off me!
I am a little bubble snake and I am. Oh! Let's have a bubble fight!
No, come off me!
You are bubbly! Guys, I've got one in my hand!
I was flat one. Wow! Bounce! They're bouncy!
Whoopa! We can hold these!
Look, they're bouncy!
I'm gonna make a blue. Pop, 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 pop.
Wow! It can fly! Wow, wow, wow.
Bubble fight! Dun, dun, dun!
Wait a second, let's dip.
I got you, bad guy! Ha! Whoa!
I will grab it.
Good. Right! Bubble little hat. I have a bubble hat.
I'm all wet. I think that's enough for today.
Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.